Ski! Welcome back to the channel, Sonny Squad, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. Alright, now check it. If you're looking for dope sneaker reviews, one of the best on feet shots, how to finesse the kicks, whether it be how to style, or some of the best ways to lace them up, or of course any other sneaker related content, then you, my friend, are in the right place. Subscribe and join the squad.
Lyrics home runs, I don't do this for fun. Nigga, I'm Aaron Judge with it, tough with it. Burn it through paper as if a slug hit it. See you paid, now it's time to pay attention. Need 2 to 5 ends before I'm 25. The next year, need to multiply.
Without any hesitation, you already know what y'all here for. Today I'm be showing y'all 3 of the best ways of lacing up your Nike Dunk Lows. With that being said, let's get into it. Alright, so now when you first get your Nike Dunk Lows, of course, take them out of whatever dead stock lacing style they're in. But of course, unlace it until you get to this one right here. And then what you're gonna do from there is, you're gonna take this lace, you're gonna go under, over. Then of course, that's the style that you want the entire shoe to be. Under, over. Like such. And then after this, you're going to make the rest of the laces fairly loose, because this is of course the loose tie. Now once you have it fairly loose, what you're going to do is make sure your laces are even. And then of course, just go ahead and tie them up. And then as soon as you have it tied, you're going to loosen it up again, just so that way it can have some hang time. And yeah, that'll be it for the first lacing style.
One word away from being higher than the atmosphere. No man but God, and that's barely. Loyal to the fame and to the money whom I married. I rap like Bruce Fight, it's hard to compare me. I might be too nice for y'all to act scary. I'm very sure I'm more than you can fathom. I spit acid, all the shit that you can't imagine. Pen and padding, paper darkening from the ashes of raw classes. Class act but full of madness. I heard the early bird gets the worm, and all the feathers he can ever earn. Cheddar cheese is what I must collect, and word that I'll die for my respect. Never been a sucker, Google that, that's a fact. Earth would be detached before I dash from the scrap. The plug hit me back.
And so following up after the first lacing style, we're gonna go ahead and do the loosey goosey. Now you're gonna keep everything the same after you untie the knot that we just did. And of course, you're not gonna move the lace from anywhere, you're gonna keep it right up here. And we already halfway did the loosey goosey, but now we're gonna finish it. So you're just gonna keep loosening up the laces until you get about, I'd say like right above the midsole. Then once you have them pretty much to their destination, you're just gonna, of course, loosen up the rest of the shoe until it's pretty evened out. Alright, and that'll be it. But if this is too loose for your liking, then of course you can take this lace and bring it up to this last lace hole right here. That way it'll still be loose, but it won't be as loose as this. But me personally, I do like to have it like this because they don't flop off of my feet. And yeah, I feel like it just looks a lot better this way. But once again, that'll be it. Lacing style 2, loosey goosey.
Hello, it's me, I'm the local to dawn. Giving you bars and you ain't getting born. Locked in a cell in your mind, I've been here for some time and it's crazy we don't get along. I see the way you be plotting this shit. It's all in your eyes when you pocket the grit. One thing that I know, you best running that store. You take everything green and you pop them and dip. To tell you the truth, you're an opportunist. If you think you can, then you gotta do it. Pull up on the bass and rockin' through it. At the end of the day, this is riding music. I'm the man, not your man, baby, don't confuse it. And I don't give a damn about a humble movement. I'm just talking my shit cause I'm going through it. I don't bug, I don't hear, I'ma fucking lose it. Ask if I sign, I'ma tell them like 10 million. If not, don't ask me again. I never never charge for a verse, but a cost for a hearse, so I might as well profit the pit. You stuck in a cycle of gassing your friends, not smoking them out, but you lying to them. How me and my brothers were keeping 100 ball working. If nothing, I'm checking they chin.
Alright, so for the last lacing style, what we're gonna do is the dead stock knot. So now, of course, you don't want your laces to be this loose, so we're gonna go ahead and just put it somewhat back to normal, because you do want them to still be fairly loose. Alright. And also, by the way, I do not have the laces through this little middle part whatsoever. I always take that out because I feel like, I don't know, it just messes up the flow of the laces against the shoe. So I never put my laces in there unless it's intentional, but yeah. So back to the lacing style. Gonna want to make sure your laces are even. And then what you want to do from here is take one finger, grab it towards the bottom, do a 360. And with these laces right here, swing it to the middle. Take your finger out of the loop. Now with these two laces right here, make sure they're together and straight. And I just messed up, but that's all right. All right, once again. And then put it straight through, both at the same time. And then just tighten it. All right, and then once you have it as such, loosen up the rest of the shoes. I'm gonna loosen up the knot, that way it has some hang time. And then follow suit with the rest of the shoe. And now, that'll be it. Lacing style number 3, the dead stock knot. Thank everybody for tuning into the video. If you enjoyed, please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, or if you haven't yet. What are you waiting for? The grind is not stopping. We're on that road to 20K. Comment down below which lacing style is your favorite. And yeah. Hope you guys all have a great day. Stay safe. See you next time.